Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing the exact slide where the zoom will live. This is critical because Zoom creates a navigable thumbnail of other slides. Once done, go to Insert, choose Zoom, and pick Slide Zoom, Section Zoom, or Summary Zoom depending on your goal. Make sure your source slides are finalized and sections are named so Zoom keeps navigation clear. This first step prepares PowerPoint to build a live, clickable preview rather than a static image, which preserves transitions and links. Now configure the zoom element itself. Resize and position the thumbnail so it fits your composition and doesn't obscure important content. Then select the Zoom and open Zoom tools to set return to zoom behavior, choose the transition type, and define duration. These control how viewers move between sections. Make sure thumbnails have distinct borders or shapes, and add a clear label so people know which section they will open. These settings determine whether the zoom feels smooth. Finish by running the slideshow and clicking each Zoom thumbnail to verify navigation, transitions, and that return to Zoom returns you to the host slide. Once satisfied, adjust timings and hide any intermediary slides so the flow is clean. If you plan to share, export only after confirming functionality. If something goes wrong, check that links point to existing slides, update PowerPoint to the latest build, and if needed, recreate the zoom. Corrupted thumbnails are rare, but recreating commonly fixes issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.